excited for this video. If my dog is apparently excited too. Ginger, quiet. I am super excited for this video. I am joining a collaboration with a ton of other amazing homeschool YouTube moms. So if you're new here and you found me from the playlist, welcome. I'm Ashley. I love homeschooling my 3 kids, and I love talking about biblically based homeschool and Charlotte Mason homeschool and just taking care of my family. So we're so glad you're here. Me, meaning me. Yeah, you can tell I get excited. I start talking quickly. This is the 4th ever Mom Box Swap, and this is hosted by Rachel at Day to Day Joys. So she has been doing this the last 4 years, getting a bunch of other homeschool moms to swap boxes and share with other moms. So I've actually been watching these videos the past several years, but I have not been able to get onto the list until this one. So you can tell I'm excited. So I am very honored to be a part of this Mom Box Swap this year. There is a playlist in the description below. Go watch that. Go watch all the other awesome moms. I've got to share, we just had a simple budget of $25 to $30. Hopefully I didn't go too far over that, but there were just so many things I wanted to bless my mom with. So anyway, I'm gonna share with you who I sent it to, and then we're gonna find out who sent the box to me, which I actually already know, and I'm pretty excited because it had her name on, on the box, and I was like, oh yay, but I haven't opened it yet, so you're gonna watch me open it for the first time here. So I sent my box to Julie Crakey at the Crakey family, on her channel, the Crakey family. And it was neat. I had actually not heard of her yet, so this is my first time getting to know her, and I've been enjoying catching up on her videos. She does a vlog style. They have a large family, and she's actually pregnant and announced her newest pregnancy, so that was pretty exciting, and I sent stuff to her right around the time when she was announcing it. So hopefully she's enjoying that peppermint tea to settle her stomach, but I don't even know, can you drink peppermint tea when you're pregnant? I hope so. If not, Julie, you can give it to your family and hopefully enjoy it later once the baby's born. So my buddy who was assigned to me is actually, drum roll please. I got Ashley Williams from Grace and Grit. And I was like, what? She's like a celebrity, homeschool mom celebrity here on YouTube. So I'm sure you've heard of her. So if you haven't, please go check her out. I've actually been following her since she had maybe 2,000 or 3,000 followers. So I started following her for her fitness videos, and then she started doing more homeschool things and talking about good and the beautiful curriculum. And I actually was inspired to use the good and the beautiful because of her. So I am so honored that Ashley sent me a box today. So thank you, Ashley. I can't wait to dig in and see what you sent. Anyway, Ashley really is just a normal mom, just like every one of us. She works hard, she homeschools and serves her 4 children, and I love following along with her family, just hearing her encouragement in homeschooling and all those things too. So, all right, so enough introduction. Let's get into it. Let's see what's in this box here that I received this year. Bubble wrap. Who doesn't love bubble wrap, right? All right. Oh, to my Mom Box Swap buddy. She sent me a nice little note here. Ooh, I can already see a few things that I am excited for, and a cute little card here. Let's read this. And isn't that fun? We have the same name, but we do spell them differently, if you noticed. Ashley, so fun to address this to another Ashley. I was so excited to learn of your channel through this box swap. I pray that these items bless you and that you enjoy them. As I chose them out, I was envisioning you taking a mom break mid-afternoon, making some tea, enjoying my fave gluten-free RX bar. Yes, I love RX bars. And thumbing through some new fall-inspired recipes while using my favorite pens ever to make a new menu plan. Oh, yeah, she got me. This is great, Ashley. Praying that comes to fruition. Hope you enjoy. Ashley from Grace and Grit. So, woohoo! Go Ashleys. All right, what do we got here? Yes, there's the pens that she mentioned, and I love these Papermate pens. I use them, but I don't have these colors, so yay for new colors. Ah! All right, we've also got some tea. I love fall teas. We've got salted caramel. Oh, that sounds delicious. My husband's gonna love that one too. And some cranberry harvest. Great fall flavors there. Oh, this is adorable. I would have not thought to get that. That's perfect for my desk. Thank you, Ashley. I would definitely use that. And then, oh, you've got to have a mug. Oh, it's a, yay! It's a portable mug. Oh my gosh, I have been needing a new one, and oh, this is adorable. So it's like ceramic with a lid. This is perfect. Okay, I guess I'm not gonna get it off right now. But isn't that cute? Thank you. Oh, I love, 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 love this. Can't wait to use it. Oh, and then my snack, my RX bar. I love these. I have not had some in a while. Oh, these are cute. I do not have any scrunchies, is what I'm trying to say. I don't have any like this yet, so yay. Those are great colors. And I've got recipes.
If I can get it out. Yes,
Good packing. All right, fall harvest recipes. Oh, use apple strudel. All right, yes, I love recipes. I love cooking, baking, all of that. So thank you so much, Ashley. I am so honored and blessed by your box here. I cannot believe I didn't open it sooner, but I did open it today. So I'm such a procrastinator. I've put this off to like the last week that you can film this. So again, thank you. I was so excited to dive into this and enjoy some sweet treats here. So I'm gonna keep it short and sweet so you can move on to watch all the other wonderful homeschool mamas. And I am so honored again to be here today. So if you're new to my channel, or you came over here from Julie or Ashley, I would be honored if you would consider subscribing. I love talking about homeschool planning, and organization, not like the stuff, but like planning your lessons and picking curriculum, that kind of things. Isn't that all there is to homeschool? And again, I love Charlotte Mason style living books. Love to talk about sharing living books and unit studies with my kids. I also do use a little bit of Good and the Beautiful and love to share about that as well. So thanks again for watching. Check out the playlist. And I already said that, but I'll say it again because you can't go wrong with any of these awesome moms. Some of them are my friends from YouTube. So you have a great day, and I will see you